Welcome to our guide on managing the patient registry in the MediCenter V3 Integrated Healthcare Management Information System. Accurate patient registration is vital to effective healthcare delivery, and this video will outline essential protocols to help attendants ensure accuracy during the registration process. Step 1 is to conduct a thorough patient search before initiating a new registration. This step is critical, whether the patient claims it's their first visit or not. Proper searching helps avoid duplicate records and ensures accurate tracking of patient history, essential for providing quality care. Next, during the registration process, it's vital for attendants to fill in all patient detail fields completely. This practice ensures quick and easy retrieval of patient information in the future, facilitating smoother interactions and enhancing the overall patient experience. When queuing a patient, attendants must capture the correct visit clinic and select the appropriate default scheme for the patient. Accurate selections minimize errors in billing and care coordination, which are crucial for effective healthcare delivery. For corporate patients, accurately entering and specifying the principal member and membership number is essential. This step ensures proper invoicing and management of corporate statements, guaranteeing that all transactions are billed correctly and efficiently. It's crucial to avoid initiating the patient's queue multiple times in a single day. Duplicating queues can lead to the creation of duplicate visits and medical bills for the same patient, resulting in inaccurate reporting and unnecessary complications in billing and care. Lastly, attendants should ensure that patients who have already left the facility are promptly removed from the queue. Keeping the patient flow updated and efficient will significantly improve service delivery and enhance patient satisfaction. By following these essential steps for accurate patient registration in the MediCenter V3 system, you play a critical role in enhancing the quality of care we provide. Thank you for watching. Let's work together to ensure our patient registry is accurate and efficient. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and share it with your colleagues.